All right, here we have the Himiway D5 2.0 new version. This just showed up last night about 7 p.m. so we just finished work today and hopefully gonna get this built. Now the box looks pretty good except for, it looks like we got one spot here with possibly a little bit of damage in there. We're gonna have to take a look when we get inside. Okay, whatever that was about all the damage we got through the box. Look at that pretty baby. Accessories, pedals, tool, bell, which I will probably not even put on, charger, instructions, headlight and reflector, looks like we got a bike bag, and that's it for accessories. Don't want to lose those. Look at how pretty she is. Woo! What a beast.
Drivers or something?
No, it's just a matter of getting everything in place. Getting everything to stay while Okay, right here, Himiway, bad design flaw. You've got the stanchion flared out here, so you can barely get in here to turn this thing.